everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Klatch. Today's Friday, that means it's another Coaster Friday. So I've had questions over the years, and it's come up again recently about coloring resin with makeup. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to take some makeup and color our coasters, and we'll see how they turn out. I have my coaster mold, and I will have a link to that down in the description below. I mixed 3 ounces of resin, and I've separated it into 3 different cups. And I separated it into 3 cups because we're going to use 3 different colors of eyeshadow. And the eyeshadow that I bought was from the dollar store, and it was really inexpensive, and it's a powder makeup. I added the eyeshadow to the resin, and then I mixed it really, really well. Once I had it mixed, I poured it right into the coaster mold. And then I did the same thing with the yellow and the pink eyeshadow. Then you want to take your lighter and pop all of the bubbles. Once you pop the bubbles, you want to let it sit a minimum of 12 hours, and then we can come back and unmold them. Just for fun, I ran my stir stick through the pink just to see if it would give us a different pattern in the end result once the resin has cured. After 12 hours, they will have cured enough that you can pop them right out of the mold. Here are the coasters all finished. We have the yellow one, which kind of kept that whole mottled look to it, and I had enough eyeshadow in there you can't really hardly see through it. Here's the purple one. I went a little bit lighter on that eyeshadow, and you can still see through it. So that's kind of a neat look too. And here's the pink one where I added some swirls and it actually kept them somewhat. So that's kind of a neat look too. So here they are all finished, and so yes, you can absolutely take some eyeshadow and color your resin. And this is just the cheap stuff from the dollar store. They look really neat just as they are, and they can just be on your coffee table or wherever. And you can absolutely use this as a background for something else if you wanted to add a sticker or maybe some vinyl from your Cricut or anything like that. You can absolutely use these as a background. So be sure to let me know what you think of the coasters down in the comments below. And if you are new here, remember to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.